I asked ChatGPT to make me as much money as possible. Since OpenAI's ChatGPT rolled out last November, workers, including developers and realtors, have been using the AI tool to help with their jobs. Now one user is trying to turn prompts into riches. Jackson Greathouse Fall, a brand designer, and the writer took to Twitter last week to share a prompt that he gave the chatbot. You have $100, and your goal is to turn that into as much money as possible in the shortest time possible, without doing anything illegal. Greathouse Fall wrote, adding that he would be the human counterpart and do everything that the chatbot instructed him to do. After a number of subsequent queries, the bot instructed Greathouse Fall to launch a business called Green Gadget Guru, which offers products and tips to help people live more sustainably. Thanks to ChatGPT, along with other AI tools like image generator DALL-E, Greathouse Fall said that he managed to raise $1,378.84 for his company in just one day, though Insider could not verify that amount. The company is now valued at $25,000, according to a tweet by Greathouse Fall. As of Monday, he said that his business had generated $130 in revenue, though Insider was not able to verify that amount or how it was generated. He also used AI to build a professional-looking website for his business. The site includes mock products like green gadgets and sustainable kitchenware. He said that he is open to manufacturing products or selling existing products for commissions if the chatbot tells him to. We're actively exploring partnerships to sell some of those things, he told Insider in an email. So far, he's happy with the results. TLDR, I'm about to be rich, he tweeted. Meanwhile, since Greathouse Fall's initial tweet on March 15, the post has racked up nearly 100,000 likes and more than 20 million impressions. He's talked about his venture on podcasts and has even started a community on Discord. Of course, time will tell if the ChatGPT-suggested business is as much a success as the viral hype surrounding its launch. The site so far appears to have no actual products listed for sale and is still full of mostly dummy text. Here is how Greathouse Fall used AI to launch his business in one day. ChatGPT provided a 4-step plan to get Green Gadget Guru off the ground and asked Greathouse Fall to keep it updated on how things were going. He was able to execute all 4 steps in one day. Step 1. Buy a domain and hosting. First, ChatGPT suggested that he should buy a website domain name for roughly $10, as well as a site hosting plan for around $5 per month, amounting to a total cost of $15. Step 2. Set up a niche affiliate website. ChatGPT suggested that he should use the remaining $85 in his budget for website and content design. It said that he should focus on a profitable niche with low competition, listing options like specialty kitchen gadgets and unique pet supplies. He went with eco-friendly products. The chatbot wanted him to create an affiliate website, a site that promotes products in exchange for sales commissions. So it told him to research affiliate programs with high commission rates. From there, ChatGPT suggested the domain name ecofriendlyfinds.com. But when Greathouse Fall learned the domain name cost $848 to acquire, it suggested one that was more affordable, greengadgetsguru.com. He bought it for $8.16, he said, then spent $29 on site hosting, which gave him a remaining budget of $62.84. Step 3. Leverage social media. Once the website was made, ChatGPT suggested that he should share articles and product reviews on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and on online community platforms such as Reddit to engage potential customers and drive website traffic. He also asked the chatbot for help creating a website logo by asking it for prompts he could feed into the AI image generator DALL-E2. He took the generated logo and made it his own using Illustrator. Once that was finished, he had ChatGPT write the site's first article, which he said cited real sustainable products like Yeehaam's reusable metal straws. A template of that article, 10 eco-friendly kitchen gadgets, was uploaded to the website. Next, he followed the chatbot's recommendation to spend $40 of the remaining budget on Facebook and Instagram advertisements to target users interested in sustainability and eco-friendly products. Step 4. Optimize for search engines. Step 4 was to optimize for search engines by using SEO techniques to drive site traffic. On top of making SEO-friendly blog posts, he decided to launch the site to bring in publicity. even though he still had a lot of work to do on it. By the end of the first day, he said he secured $500 in investments. While GreekHouseFall didn't disclose his investors, he tweeted that his DMs are flooded, and that he is not taking any more investors unless the terms are highly favorable. 5 days later, on Monday, he tweeted that he's planning to update his followers on his Hustle QT journey every day for 30 days. I think we're going to see a huge boom in AI-assisted or even AI-led businesses over the next few months, he told Insider. Jackson GreekHouseFall, a brand designer and the writer, took to Twitter last week to share a prompt that he gave the chatbot. You have $100, and your goal is to turn that into as much money as possible in the shortest time possible, without doing anything illegal, GreekHouseFall wrote, adding that he would be the human counterpart and do everything that the chatbot instructed him to do. After a number of subsequent queries, the bot instructed GreekHouseFall to launch a business called Green Gadget Guru, which it said offers products and tips to help people live a more sustainable lifestyle. As a curious person who is always on the lookout for new opportunities, I recently turned to ChatGPT to seek its advice on the matter. I asked the question of how I could make money from it, and I was eager to see what insights this genius weirdo could offer. To my surprise, ChatGPT provided a wealth of information and ideas on the topic, which I'll be sharing with you in this blog post. So whether you're looking for a new side hustle, a full-time gig, or just some extra cash, keep reading to discover the many ways you can make money from ChatGPT. I strongly recommend you read my personal conclusion to this experiment at the end of the article as well, to see my views on the matter. As an AI language model, ChatGPT has limitations in generating revenue directly, but there are ways that individuals and businesses can leverage its capabilities to create value and generate income. Here are several ways to make money using ChatGPT. Content creation. ChatGPT can assist in creating various types of content, including articles, blog posts, social media posts, and product descriptions. By offering content creation services using ChatGPT, you can help businesses and individuals who lack the time, resources, or skills to produce high-quality content. You can charge a fee for your services based on the level of complexity and the amount of content required. Copywriting. Copywriting involves writing persuasive and compelling marketing messages that prompt the reader to take a specific action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. By using ChatGPT to generate high-quality copy, you can offer copywriting services to businesses and individuals looking to increase their conversion rates. You can charge a flat fee per project or an hourly rate. Translation. ChatGPT can also be used for translation services. You can offer translation services for businesses and individuals looking to expand their reach to a global audience. You can charge a fee per word or per project, depending on the level of complexity and the amount of content required. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.